Hello YouTube and welcome to another Windows tutorial. So in this video I will show you a very useful tool called Keywords Everywhere. So are you ready? Let's get started. So actually Keywords Everywhere is a tool or extension for Firefox or even Chrome that will help you with your SEO. So SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. So if you are looking for specific keywords or tags to include in your YouTube videos, this is a very useful tool. So I will show you how it works. So first of all, we have to go to Google and type keywords everywhere. So keywords everywhere. So the first link is actually the official site, and second link is actually the extension for Chrome. So I will stick with the first one, keywordseverywhere.com actually. So here you can see that I can install it for Chrome or for Firefox. So I'm using actually Chrome, so I will install from Chrome. Okay. So actually, as I told you, it's an extension, so I will just hit the button add to Chrome. I will add extension. So after that, you will see a little icon with the letter K that appears actually in the right top corner. Okay, so here you have to provide your email address, so you can provide whatever email you want, and after that they will send you actually a free API key. So I have received actually my API key, so all I have to do is to open the mail from Keywords Everywhere. Then you will get your API key. So this is my API key, so I will just copy it. Then I will click actually the extension Keywords Everywhere. So I will go to update settings, and here in this text box I have to paste actually my API key. So I will hit Ctrl V. Then I have to validate, and as you can see the API key is valid. So actually the Keywords Everywhere extension will show you actually the volume searches, the CPC, which stands for cost per click, and the competition. You can also highlight if you want. So for example, I want to highlight it with this color green if the highlight volume exceeded 1000 search. Okay, so now let's see the extension in action. So I'll return back to, for example, to Google. Okay, so now let's say that I want to see how many searchers actually search for specific keywords. So let's type, for example, Windows 10. So here you can see that I have a green highlighted just under the text search. So here I have almost 368,000 search per month with CPC or cost per click equal to 0.55. Okay, the competition is 0.15. okay, so now I can see actually the search volume in Google search. And if you scroll at the right end here, the corner, you can see also the related keywords. So Windows 10 free download, it has a volume of 165,000 and with its CPC actually. Okay, and there is also useful information here. People also search for other keywords, so you can see also the ranking of each phrase or keywords with its volume and CPC and competition also. Okay, and one useful actually features is that you can export to CSV file, so you can read it in your Excel software if you want later. Okay, so it's a very interesting extension that you can add and use it with Google search or even with YouTube or eBay. It actually supports many sites like Amazon, also Bing. So with this extension enabled, so actually you can enable it or not, it depends on your choice, and it will give you some useful information about search engine optimization. So you can see here, you can choose for a specific country, for example Canada or Australia, or you can just leave it global, so it will give you the global view of keyword search. As always, I hope it has been informative for you, and I want to thank you for viewing. Bye bye.